Happy Sunday. If you're thinking about lifting your van, this paints a picture right here. Lifted versus stock height. I've actually had a couple people turn on me on YouTube, people that I thought were my friends, and one of them told me I need to stop making videos about lifted vans. So this is what's gonna happen if I stop making videos about lifted vans. Here's my very first lifted van video. Look at that upload date, March 13, 2013. So it's gotten 34,000 views since 2013, plus 47 subscribers. It's made me $75 lifetime. Look at how many views it's gotten in the last 48 hours. One view. It's a video that's no longer pushed by YouTube. Let's go ahead and just look at the last 90 days, if this video's even still getting any views. So last 90 days, let's take a look. There you go, 67 views in the last 3 months. So this video is definitely not being pushed anymore. All right, that's my first video about my action van lift on my last van build. All right, here's my first video about the Weldtech lift in my current van build. This was uploaded on March 13, 2021. So 5,000 total views since it's been uploaded in 2021, plus 35 subscribers, made me $52. One view in the last 48 hours. Let's see what it's gotten in the last 90 days. Last 90 days, one view. No one's watching this video. Oh, there he is. Actually, 96 views. So not many views the last 90 days. So YouTube is really not pushing that video. All right, so let's look at another one. This one was uploaded last year, July 2023. So in the last 48 hours, it's gotten 12 views, 1,500 total views, plus 20 subscribers. So here's the deal. When I upload videos, and this is a good one, I think this is my best video, one of my best videos, my top 5 on lifted vans, like informative videos. So when I upload videos about lifted vans, it finds new subscribers. So if I just stopped on one action van video and one Weldtech videos, I would never find new subscribers. No new people would find this topic. And that's the thing, you know, people actually do like these videos. So the guy telling me to stop making lifted van videos, is he gonna pay me? You know, let's look at another one. Here we go. Here's one of my good ones right here. 7.5 thousand views. It was uploaded also last year. So this one's one of my better pushed ones by the YouTube algorithm. Plus 49 subscribers. $50 basically it's made since it's been uploaded. So is that guy who's telling me stop uploading lifted van videos, is he gonna give me 50 bucks to stop? Like, are these 49 subscribers not worth making videos for? Say 49 people found this video. See, every lifted van video I upload finds an audience, like, you know. So this one, plus 47. This one, let's see. I'm gonna talk about this in a different video. Gatekeepers, plus 35. People telling you to stop making certain videos. Well, you know what? I make these videos because people enjoy them. I find a new audience. It inspires different people, new people, to lift their vans. So, and then here's the last one I uploaded right here. This is the last one I uploaded a couple days ago. Today is March 3rd, and I uploaded this on February 28th. Look at the views the last 48 hours. 118 views the last 48 hours, and I got a new subscriber talking about lifted vans. So when it comes to the lifted van community, there's not too many gatekeepers. It's not like, I'm pretty sure like the Tacoma, Wrangler, 4Runner community, I'm pretty sure there's gonna be a lot of gatekeepers. Gatekeepers, that basically means people who are telling you need a certain mod, you need to go with a certain company to, like, or you're not cool. You know, it's really tribalism. But there's not many choices for these vans. There's not many of us. So I thought it was kind of amusing that someone who I thought was cool with me is gonna freak out on me and tell me to stop making lifted van videos. Yeah, it's unfortunate that I've had several friends turn on me, but you know, it is what it is, man. It weeds out the bad ones, and I know who my real friends are. You guys understand what I'm doing here. I'm just trying to build up the lifted van hype and, you know, encourage people wanting to lift their vans. Lift your van, man. It's a lot of fun, and that's the vibe I'm trying to show on this channel. Show people how fun this hobby is, how fun it is to have a lifted van. If you're tired of the lifted van videos, I made this lovely video about my Abarth 8 days ago. It only has 61 views. If this car had feelings, they would be pretty hurt right now.